Hey everyone, welcome back. If verification failed, it's usually because of one small mistake in Coinbase. So, first open the app and then check that your name and date of birth match your ID exactly. Then retake ID photos in bright light with no glare. After that, avoid screenshots or edited images. Use the original documents only. If it still fails, you'll have to wait for about 24 hours before retrying. Multiple attempts can delay approval, so be patient and wait till 24 hours before retrying. Clean photos and matching details fix most verification errors, so make sure that you have a dark background and a not so blurry camera and take the photo as clear and good as possible. So, clean photos and matching details fix most of verification errors, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.